Guys, I came across this notification, new create stunning images with Google AI. Ask Gemini to generate photorealistic images. I couldn't have been much happier. Let me just try it now for you and with you actually. So let's ask it to make an image with a rabbit as an astronaut. Let's see what it generates for us and how fast this is. This is using Imagen 3. Okay, it says I'm still learning to generate certain kind of images, so I might not be able to create exactly what you are looking for yet. Also, I can't help with photorealistic images of identifiable people, images that go against my guideline. Okay, what type of stuff can you make? Let's see. It has given me all the stuff that it can do, but anyways, what type of AI images can you make and give me one text prompt for it. Let's see what it gives us. So it can make illustrations, abstract art, simple screens, text-based images. I see. Okay, let's click on digital. Let's use actually digital art. Make an AI image of digital art Paris scenes. Let's just see if it makes. Okay, it's still loading. So this is what it made. Seems like it was worth it. Nice. Let's go with New York now. Make such an image for New York now. After we are done with New York, I think we have to go with Delhi. Okay, this is a scene from New York. Now do for, or let's say we'll go with Taj Mahal in Agra. Okay, generating images of people is only available in early access. Let's try Gemini Advanced. Let's see if we can get something over here. So we have to pay for it. Let's go back. Make AI image digital art for Moscow. Let's see. It's still learning, guys. It isn't as good as I expected, but this digital art that it generated, this looks quite cute, I would say. But overall, I think Google Gemini has a lot to catch up with. Now you see on the other hand, we have programs like Leonardo AI, and here you can generate a lot of stuff. You see, we'll go with the original prompt, rabbit as an astronaut. See, in the flow state, it's going to make us a lot of amazing stuff. Rabbit as an astronaut. Good. Wow, this is also good. Nice. This looks pretty good, I would say. And then this is endless in the flow state. You can keep on generating more and more. Well, Google Gemini doesn't compare with Leonardo at this stage. Anyways, I'll keep on making stuff related to AI and let me know what AI art generators you use